In JMAG, scripts can be created by using a third-party integrated development environment. Using scripts to automate the operations in JMAG will improve the efficiency of your work. In this example, we create a Python script that sets the current conditions to the coil of a C-shaped core. Spider is used as the Python development environment. Write the code to import the modules needed to use JMAG, as well as the operation to run in JMAG. Commands that are available for use are listed as candidates. This means that you can enter the function and module names with ease. Write the details of the operation to run in JMAG. In Spider, if there is a flaw in the content of the code, it will point it out in real time like this. The current flow direction, current values, and the number of turns, etc., are listed here as the current conditions for the coils of the C-shaped core. Run the Python code to operate JMAG-Designer. You can check scripts while viewing the execution status in the list of variables, etc. Current conditions have now been set for the C-shaped core model.